These last couple of weeks, I've been meeting with multiple families that have intentions of buying their first property or an investment property, and we've been sitting down with them and doing buyer consultations, in which we covered three main things for them to walk away with a tangible plan. Number one, explaining how the buying process works from beginning to end, whether it's primary home that you're looking to buy or an investment property. Number two, how they can calculate their qualifying income. Number three is identifying and narrowing down the type of property they're looking to buy. This is a free consultation that I've been doing for them, and I want to extend the invitation to everybody that's watching this video that has had thoughts of buying an investment or primary home, maybe this year or next year. It's a free consultation. I encourage you to send me a DM, call me, text message me, reach out to me however you please, so I can sit down with you and explain to you and give you a tangible plan of what you can do today to make those dreams come true or make that investment happen for you. So if you have any further questions, all you gotta do is send me a message. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time. Take care.